Alright, I'm going to try and keep this short and sweet. I watched a video that I will link in the description that was very helpful and involved a multiples of 8 chart, and I was not very good at writing the chart out. It took me a long time. I was very slow. I kept screwing the math up. So I looked for patterns in the chart, and I found a couple that helped me to make a method that helps me write the multiples of 8 chart, which by the way gives you the multiples of 16 and basically the multiples of 4 really quick. So first I'm going to just write the chart out, and I'm not going to talk. I'm just going to write it, and then I'm going to explain exactly what I did. So okay, so that was pretty quick. I don't really have to check it for errors because this method is so simple that there's no way you're going to mess it up. So real quick disclaimer, the video that I link, he has a 64 here, a 128. Basically he repeats the number here that he repeated, or that he had down here. I didn't really like that part of the chart, so I just put the 0 to make sure that I don't accidentally start my first subnet on 8. That's just a little friendly reminder for myself. But other than that, this is the exact chart that he uses in his video. Now the way I did it, you saw me write a first cycle of numbers, which you probably noticed the pattern, and then I wrote a second cycle of numbers. So the first cycle, the pattern is 0, 8, 6, 4, 2, 0, 8, 6, 4, 2, 0, 8, 6, 4, 2, 0, 8, 6, 4, 2, 0, 8, 6, 4, 2, 0, 8, 6, 4, 2, 0, 8, 6. So it just keeps repeating. The second cycle of numbers was starting at 16, obviously. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 12. 13, 14, 15, 16, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 24, and 25. So I'm sure you noticed it's the multiples of 4 that repeat. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8. It's every fourth number you say. So when you say it out loud, you can kind of hear it in my voice. You get this flow going. 0, 8, 6, 4, 2, 0, 8, 6, 4, 2, 0, 8, 6, 4, 2, 0, 8, 6, 4, 2, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 24, 25. So as long as you know how to count and you can just think of that a little bit, then you can do it very, very fast. Or I mean fast for me. I don't mean to sound arrogant there. I don't know how fast other people are. They're probably faster than I am. But this method, when I came up with it, helped me go faster than I was doing when I was doing the numbers. So when I was just saying, 0, 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, I had to, I kind of slow down because I'm thinking like, okay, 2 plus 8, it gets me at 0. And I made plenty of mistakes, and I went too far because I was thinking so hard about the math that I ended up overwriting. My columns were messed up. This method is so you just zone out and you say these numbers in your head. Makes it harder to mess up, and you can kind of focus more on the lines and whatnot. So I'm going to do the chart again, and I'm going to say it out loud as I do it so you can kind of see. Hopefully this is all on the camera. It took me longer to set this camera up, or it's just on my phone, but it took me longer to set this thing up than to make this whole video probably. Anyways, 0, 8, 6, 4, 2. 0, 8, 6, 4. And this is the only part you really need to think about is on this first row. When you hit that second 4 is when you go up 2, okay? And then don't go up here, go here. Practice it a few times, you'll be good. 0, 8, 6, 4, 2. 0, 8, 6, 4, 2. Oh, shit. 2. 0, 8, 6, 4, 2. Can't mess it up, and then I mess it up. 0, 8, 6, 4, 2, 0, 8, 6. Second half is 1, 2, 3, 4, 4. See how easy that is? 5, 6, 7, 8, 8. 9, 10, 11, 12, 12. See? 13, 14, 15, 16, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 24, 25. Okay. I know I said I can't mess it up and I screwed this up. It's because I was looking at my camera and writing while looking at my hand on the screen. It's really weird. Kudos to all you guys who make videos all the time and are very good at it. Trying to make your own video makes you appreciate how weird it is. Anyways, you see the pattern 08642, 08642, which, by the way, the 0, think of it as like the 10, or think of it on your keyboard. So if you look at the keyboard, you got 08642. It's just even numbers. You're starting here. When you take your test, you're going to have a keyboard, so 08642, 08642. You see it right there. Let me prop this camera back up. And then the other one is just easy. You're counting and you're just doubling the fourth number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8. And then keep in mind that every other row is going to be your multiples of 16. So let me write a little bit nicer looking chart here. 0, 8, 6, 4, 2, 0, 8, 6, 4, 2, 0, 8, 6, 4, 2, 0, 8, 6, 4, 2, 0, 8, 6, 4, 2, 0, 8, 6, 4, 2, 0, 8, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 24, 25. Okay, so every other row is your multiples of 16. So what I like to do is take the marker and mark every other row, and I kind of do it in the middle too, so I can follow the line across. It's kind of hard to see with so many marks because I'm using the same colors, but if I was on the test, I guess they're not going to give me multiple colors probably. It's not an art test, so anyways, whatever helps you. If you want to box the every other row or something, on the video that I linked to, the guy has them bolded, which is really nice on the screen, but when you write it out at the test, you're not going to have, you know, a way to do that. Especially using this method, there's no way you're going to be able to bold every other number as you're flying through it. So, but either way, you can look and see your multiples of 16, your multiples of 8, and then multiples of 4 are pretty easy because even all the way up here, if you got 160 and 164, I know, or I mean 160 and 168, I know 164 is a multiple of 4. I know 228 is a multiple of 4. I know 204 because it's right in between. So at the beginning of the video, I said it basically gives you your multiples of 4. That's what I mean. 180. How would I know 180 is a multiple of 4 if I wasn't looking at this chart? You know, I see right, it's 4 between those two, so obviously 180 is a multiple of 4, but it's not a multiple of 8 or 16. So I don't know, maybe this will help you out. Like I said, I do it much faster doing this than I did on the other methods that I was using, so I plan on using this on the test on Monday. Hopefully this will supplement the chart that Arpit Roy, I think is his name. Either way, again, I don't make videos, so let me know what you think of this one, I guess. I may or may not comment or ever look at this video again, so if I don't answer, sorry.